हेलो दोस्तों, सभी को मेरा राम राम। वेलकम टू आवर चैनल इंडियन साइबर टेक।
हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल अगेन। आज हम अनबॉक्सिंग करेंगे विप्रो स्मार्ट डोर बेल। यू कैन चेक, दिस इज द स्मार्ट डोर बेल। सो वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू अनबॉक्सिंग। दिस इज द कॉन्फ़िगरेशन। So you can see this is the manual. So this is, I think this is the double side tape. This is charger. No, this is not the charger, but this is the connection I think we need. So we'll check. This is the connection cables and how to hang, mounting, screws, and this is the our product, smart door bell. You can see this is the fully sealed pack. Now we are just checking the connection, how to connect. There is a diagram, so we'll check and connect. This is whole set which we have received in the box. So now we are just going to open and connect. Now we are just open the back side. Yeah, this is the battery. It's lithium battery. It's chargeable battery, I think. This is a lithium ion battery. It is chargeable. Yeah. Yeah. There is on off switch and reset. So you just press the on. Now you can see there is sound. We have seen. We have listened the sound. I think it's on. Now you can see the doorbell is on. The light is glowing. There is the on off switch and this is the reset switch. Now the doorbell is on.